What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. If you're new to the channel, hi there. So today I have right here the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4, the successor to the Flip 3, and I want to talk about 3 reasons why you should pick up this device. But before I do dive right in, I want to quickly showcase the latest wallpaper pack. It's called Harlequin, this right here, and if you want to check it out and support the channel, I'll be leaving a link in the description down below. But without further delay, let's dive right in. All right, so reason number 1 is this right here, the form factor. This is what I love so much about the Z Flip 4. And one of the main reasons why I picked it up is that you can fold it to have it become just a small, it's literally the size of my wallet, give or take. Just a little bit smaller. It's even smaller than my wallet. And that's what I love about it. It fits really well in your pocket rather than carrying a large device like the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and you can fold it up like this. So when you do, then it's the same size as the S22 Ultra. When you're done, just fold it out. If you just want to take a quick look at notifications, you have this outer display, and it's great. I love this form factor, and Samsung refined it with the Z Flip 4. The hinge is less subtle than the Z Flip 3. If you do want to take a look, and it actually connects, there's kind of magnets there, but it's less subtle. Just take a look at that. And I like it. I really do like it. Samsung is kind of pushing this out as a fashion accessory, and with this more subtle design, more flat design, matte finish, and really nice colors, and you can customize it with its bespoke, different combinations, form factor. I think this is a really good reason why one should pick up the Z Flip 4. Number 2 is going to be the fact that it folds. Yes, the fact that it folds. Now, this display, it does have a crease, okay? And the question I get a lot is, does that crease annoy you from day-to-day use? And the first like 5-10 minutes when you start using the Z Flip 4 or any foldable from Samsung, you do feel the crease, but then you quickly get used to it. Like, I don't really care at all that the crease is there. In fact, I feel like the crease is more significant on the Flip 3, but maybe that's just my mind saying it is. But for me, crease has not been an issue. Display is awesome. Obviously, it's not Samsung's highest end display. It doesn't have Quad HD display, but it's still 120 hertz. It still gets very bright, and it gets the job done. I absolutely love it. But the fact that this display folds, like Samsung really is pushing out foldables, and especially here in the US, you don't really have any other options in the foldable market other than Samsung and maybe the Motorola Razr, which I personally have not seen anyone use the Razr, but I've seen people use their Flip, Samsung's Flip, and Samsung's Fold devices. So that's just showing that how much Samsung has improved with their foldable lineup. But the fact that this folds, I just still can't get over, this whole thing. I guess it's the honeymoon phase, and for me, when I used the Flip 3 last year, the honeymoon phase was a really long one, and this is the same. I mean, I just love folding it in and out. Now, there's an issue with durability, as in like people are going to care if it's going to survive with its durability when you consistently fold. And yes, it's good. The durability is good. There's been no creaks or anything. It folds really well. It shuts really well. Like you feel there's a little bit of an opening here, but that's not too much of an issue. Fold it out and you're all set to go. If you want to just like swing it open real quick, there you go. If you want to end the call and you're talking with someone, you get real angry, or you're just, done with the phone call, well then guess what? All you gotta do is, there you go, and you're all set to go. But this display, man, just because it has a crease, don't let that get to you. It's a really good display, and it folds. And number 3 is going to be the price. That's right, the Z Flip 4 still maintains the same price as the Z Flip 3 right here, and I absolutely love it. I absolutely love $999 for its starting price. Granted, if you did pre-order, you'd be able to get the 256 gig variant for the same price of $999. I'll be leaving links in the description down below if you want to check out the Z Flip 4, because Samsung is still offering some pretty good deals. But $999 for a foldable, this is just amazing. It really is. You can't go wrong. Yes, it's not going to give you the latest and greatest. $1,000 is not cheap. Don't get me wrong. Like, I'm saying $999 is a reason why you should pick up this device, because it's a foldable that's $999. This technology is still fairly new, as in many companies have still not adapted foldable, smartphones. So $999 is really cheap, especially when you compare it to like just 2 years ago when its Z Flip first came out. It was like $1,400-$1,500 when you had the Motorola Razr, not the newest one, but the current gen that's available here in the US. That was like $1,200, $1,300, $1,400. This is a steal, and you're getting a really good design, really good battery life. Yes, battery life. You're getting better battery life than the Flip 3, 17% increase with the 3,700 milliamp hour battery. I have been using this. I have seen an increase. It has a Snapdragon 8 Gen plus 1 chipset, and that also helps with the battery life. It has upgraded cameras, which are pretty good. Obviously not the highest end cameras that Samsung offers, but still gets the job done. And overall, just like a durable form factor, really good design. Like, I'm just at a loss of words. Overall, it's a good package, and I believe that for $999, you're getting a pretty good phone. You're getting a pretty good foldable. And that pretty much wraps up this video. I hope you guys did enjoy. I've absolutely enjoyed using the Z Flip 4, and a smartphone that I would definitely recommend. I have my SIM card here. This is my main device. I did swap from the Galaxy S22 Ultra, and I'm going to be talking about this in another video of why I switched from the S22 Ultra, like a high-end flagship, to the Z Flip 4. But nonetheless, amazing device. Definitely would recommend it, especially if you're an Android user and you're looking to get into the foldable market and to pick up a phone that folds. But that's really been it. I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, be sure to Superman the like button, comment down below, and best of all, share this video, because it really does help out the channel a lot. It will help push my content out to more people. Anyway, that's been it for me. I'll catch you guys in the next episode.